Removing an M.2 drive. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. For configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. Disconnect all the cables from the drive backplane, and then remove the drive cage assembly from the node and place it on a flat, static protective surface. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Remove the front OCP module. Remove the 2 screws that secure the front OCP cable to the OCP cage, and then disconnect the shorter OCP cable from the system board and lift it away from the front air baffle. Remove the front OCP cage from the node. Slightly press the retainer away from the M.2 drive to disengage the M.2 drive. Lift the rear side of the M.2 drive slightly away from the system board. Pull the M.2 drive out of the connector at an angle of approximately 15 degrees.